Rowan, here, you can come hold this with Mama. Come over here. Come over here.
No, Rowan. I'm trying to film your sister. Your cross-eyed sister. In the back of your head.
We do. That's it.
It's not over her head.
Careful, Rowan. Rowan.
Make a better door than a window.
Rowan, we gotta be gentle.
Yeah, can you say door, not window?
No.
Just watch. I'm filming your sister.
Watch Reagan, Rowan.
Watch Reagan. She's watching the little toy. Mom's not shaking it. Look at your sister smile. Hang on, Rowan. Just watch. I know you want to watch. You can see. Hang on, Rowan. Hang on.
What?
Rowan, you're not making for a steady camera. No, don't push, don't push. Oh, Rowan, you're killing me.
Rowan.
Okay. All done.